Welcome back to another video. We have today a 2019 Lamborghini Urus. So what we're going to be doing on this vehicle today is going to be a camera calibration. Vehicle was involved in a front-end collision. There is a code in the system. It's not related to the calibration. We're going to go ahead and scan it. Can you scan it, Alex? We're gonna check the accessories that we're gonna need on this vehicle. Gustavo, can you show the clamps in the back? So we have a clamp on the passenger side, and let's go around. Let's go around to the other side. We have that one in there. We have another clamp on the left side of the vehicle. All right, those are the ones that the target is gonna use to position itself. That along with the distance measuring device. So we're gonna, Alex is gonna navigate into the ADAS system. All right, let's check the codes. What does it say? It says, okay, so we have two codes on this system. Data bus error value received and left rear side parking aid sensor, no signal. All right, so it seems to be that it's got more than one issue. For this video, we're just gonna ignore those codes. We're gonna attempt to do the camera aiming, although there's codes in the system. Just for the purpose of this video, I mean, if we get to repair those two codes, we're gonna try to make a video of that so you guys can see it. Let's move forward with the calibration. And for this, you would select the option that led you to do this this procedure. We're gonna select the top one to select all of them. Okay, and we have A, and we also have the target A. That's the target, that's the kind of tool that you're using. I mean, if you're using a different tool, different version, it'll be a different target. But for this one, we have this target. We're gonna click OK. And we're gonna set up the frame. Let's zero out the frame, like always. The angle and the offset should be a 0.
Make sure I have a center.
All right, now we're gonna center the frame to the vehicle, the best from here. All right, so the idea here is just to minimize the amount of adjustments that we're gonna have to do once we get into the fine tuning of this position. Those are the clamps that we have. As you saw already, we have both of them in the back, left and right. And right now it's going to initialize the camera kit, which should be on. It is on, right?
Yeah, it's on already.
Okay. We're just going to connect to it. This is something that we got to do every time we use this scanner. I mean, it doesn't remain connected. I don't know why. Every time we use it, we have to do the same. So that's the measuring target. We're going to position that where we're going to position that at the front axle. Just like so. And then we're going to click OK. As you can see on this screen, it's acquiring distances, which it did already. So now it's asking you to remove the target. This is how we do with this particular tool, all right? Every tool is different. If you have a frame, you do it one way. If you don't have a frame, you do it in a different way. This is just to position. The frame. So we're gonna move that thing forward until we get it in the green. Not only in the green, we're gonna try to bring it as close as we can to the specification. What's the spec? Let me see the spec. 1492. So push it forward. 1492. Push it forward. There you go. 1492. So now we're gonna move the offset. 51. Okay, that's on 0, and the angle, we're gonna leave it at 0, as close as we can to 0. Like I said, not only in the green it's acceptable, it'll let you move forward, continue with the calibration, but if we can do it as close as we can, that's what we're gonna attempt to do. So we take screenshots every time we do something, just to prove that we did what we did.
That's the reading.
Okay, we did that already. So we're done with the setup, right?
Yeah.
So that's how we set up the frame to acquire the positioning. There is more adjustments that need to be done on it, like the height needs to be specific for this vehicle. And we're gonna do that in a minute. That's the target that we have, right? Gustavo, can you show the target, please? So that's the target that we have for this vehicle.
Right here, it's asking for the levels. Everything is on level.
Okay, levels, okay. Just a quick note. I don't know if you recognize this target from another calibration. It's the same as we use for Volkswagen and Audis. And what else did we do with this?
What else do we want? I don't remember.
A Porsche? I don't know what it was. I don't know. But I think this is pretty standard for European, German. I don't know. Just for you to know. I mean, it's the same type of target that we're using, and the procedure is exactly the same. So now the height. We need 1290 on the B side of the ruler. Angus? Can you get that, please? Is it on 1290?
Yeah, it's on. It's back down to.
You dropped it? Okay, so 1290 right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. We're gonna. Okay, turn off the cameras.
Yeah, they're already off.
They're already off?
Yeah.
Okay, no lasers on, cameras off. We're gonna click OK and then move out of the way, right? Hold on. Although we are behind the target, we always try to command the calibrations from the back of the vehicle, just so we don't interfere.
Okay.
What do you got?
So I need to turn the ignition off.
Turn the ignition off.
Yeah, let me go. And it's going to ask me for this, for the high right now, but let me just.
So we're gonna follow the instructions on the scanner. Ignition off. Okay. Back on.
Ignition on.
Okay, ignition's back on. The default memory is read. So it's reading. Okay, wheel housing. What do you have? Left front. So we're gonna check them. The height on the wheel housing. On the front left, what do we have?
820.
Okay. Next one.
And the rear.
Left rear.
We have.
Like I said at the beginning, we did this calibration already.
830.
830. So these values, I'm pretty sure, are the ones that we recorded last time.
Here is going to be 826.
All right, so we got 826 now. Let me just correct that. And that's just 2 millimeters. I mean,
And this one we have 830.
830, yeah, those 2 millimeters, you can get that for just entering and exiting the car. So we're gonna click OK. And wait. So that's the value that we entered for the height. The board distance, that's the distance between the front axle and the actual board. So the first 4 values we entered, and then the fifth one, that's acquired through the distance measuring device. So now it's running the calibration. And if successful, calibration of the component below was successful. Driver resistance system front camera. Okay, so that completes the calibration. As always, we take a screenshot of that. And we're gonna click OK. If I'm not mistaken, there was a code related to rear parking sensor.
Yeah, parking sensor.
Okay, we're gonna take a look at that. Well, we're gonna have to contact the owner of this vehicle, see if they want us to do anything with it. And if that's the case, we're gonna tell you what we do on it. Hopefully, we can record that procedure too. All right, so that's it for this calibration. I hope you learned something today, just like we do every day. And we'll see you on the next time that we can record a video. Okay, stay tuned. If you want to see more calibrations, go on the channel. We have some ADAS, some electrical diagnosis, some electronic repair, and some ADAS calibrations, static and dynamic. Okay, so stay tuned. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.